In this lesson, we're going to explore some dynamic attributes. So here in the scene, I have a 3D model of pillow. So I want to convert that to enclosed. So I'll go to enclosed and let's click on create enclosed. The first thing I want to do, I want to go to nucleus and I want to change the space scale to about 0.4, and let's enable the ground too. So now let's hit play and see. Nothing special, just the cloth falls down as you see, and as you see the mesh is intersecting. So let's rewind that and let's select the cloth, and now I want to do a couple of changes here, and I want to increase the mass a little bit more to make it a little bit heavier. And here in the rigidity, if you increase that, for example, let's set that to 0.35, and now let's see what's gonna happen if I hit play. As you see now, we are keeping the volume of the pillow. So another option is the deform resistance. So if I increase that about, let's say to 1, so what this attribute will do, will make the enclosed objects to maintain the current shape. So let's hit play and see. Okay, great. And we can go up and increase the friction a little bit more, for example 0.4 to add a little bit of friction, and we can increase the thickness to 0.4, and I want to add some thickness to the ground too. So by increasing that here 0.4, you can increase the plane friction too to add a little bit more friction to the ground too. So now let's go ahead and play that. Okay, so now let's cache it. Let's select that, let's go to encache and let's go to create new cache and let's click on an object. And I created a cache before, so I want to replace that, replace existing. So let's hit play and see. As you see, we get nice results. You can increase the rigidity a little bit more if you want to. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.